You're into your new routine. Take the van out.
Yeah.
Bring the paper and the unicycle back.
Yeah.
You've really used the unicycle this week, even more than normal.
I'm going to have to charge it. My battery's running down.
We're all doing good. Maybe just a little achy this morning, but we're good. Hi, Gray. Are you overseeing everything this morning? I have the first floor put together. It's, you know, very, very close to what they had. I've added this minifigure in person and a peg. And let's see, what do I need to fix? I need to fix that one window pane. There's two bow and arrows here that get attached to the underside of the lights and kind of make them come around and attach. I'll either find that or I won't. The clear lamp light here is smaller than what it's supposed to be. I'll either convert the other one on the other house to this smaller version, or I'll find a bigger one for here. This is a little bigger. It sticks out 2 more pegs, but I think that's totally fine. That's what I had. I ordered these. They're coming. I just don't have them yet. Either that or we'll be having a lot of minifigures out front. And obviously these houses are never quite as ornate on the back, although that haunted house is close. But here you can see, and you can see the walkthrough, you can see the backside. If I had a ton of these flat tiles, I would not want to leave it as pegs on the backside. But I don't. If I ever come into any at Guardian Angel, then I can always come back and refill those in. You can see the stairs here. You go in through here and up the stairs and then up onto the second floor. And I'm not going to start it right now, but tomorrow I might start the second floor. Thinking there's supposed to be maybe a little bump there. Not sure. I'll have to go back and look. Thinking I might have missed one piece right there. Oh, and I had that up in the background because that's what it's going to look like when it's done. It gets a little more ornate as we go. The first floor being sort of plain and up from there not. So we'll see how it goes. Johnny's got his private lesson in 5 minutes, and he's set up. He's got his computer. He just puts his computer on whatever is convenient that we don't have other stuff on.
Yeah, so in this case, it's a stool.
It's today. A stool today. Sometimes it's the big cart or whatever, but
yeah, stool today, rolling cart tomorrow, small table the next day.
Yeah, he's got his fan and his water all ready to go too. So have fun. We'll be as quiet as we can outside.
Thank you. Is it started?
No, 5 more minutes. So the guys are gonna install feet on the cabinets. I said the shelves yesterday, but you guys knew what I meant. Yeah, the cabinets.
We're out gassing them too.
Right. The garage has a little fumes today. And yeah, and Susie has an electrical project. The guys are going to take a look at that while Johnny's doing his class, because they can sit out here. It's hot. It's hotter than we want. It is. See, JB likes Hawaii and Florida and 85 or 90 and humidity.
That's actually cool.
No, I'm
going to wait to put my shorts on until it gets a little warmer.
I have my pants on because blue jeans instead of shorts because of the mosquitoes today. I'm trying. But anyway, it's too hot out here, JB, and it's humid and sort of sticky, and I mean, it's not sweltering summer or anything, but it's not cool, crisp fall out here today either, so.
It's a dry, cool Florida day.
Yeah.
So
Don wants to install his toolbox that they painted the top on back between the two cabinets. So they're talking about what to do for a shelf for it. So, our butcher box got delivered a while ago. You can see that it's still plenty frosty. It shipped out late Monday and it got here a little while ago. So we're good. We're good to go. Yeah, we got lots of projects going on at the same time today. I'm looking for something to do to be productive while they're over there, and I think I've settled on clean up this flower bed a little bit. I can help load up stuff in the cabinets when they get that far. So, did you fix Susie's electric blanket?
Yeah, we got it over there, keeping your sofa all warm.
So, what was the problem?
Well, the metal oxide varistor, the inlet current.
It was that power surge that did.
Yeah, a little surge protector that was in there. It shorted, burned up, in the process it blew the fuse. So unfortunately, it's one of those 10 millimeter by 3 millimeter 2.5 amp fuse with pigtails. I have 2.5 amp fuses, but they're a little bigger, and then the 10 millimeter fuses I have don't have pigtails, so we're having to order JB because we definitely don't want it that not to have the proper fuse in there.
Okay.
So we've got it over here just to make sure with the improper fuse
Okay.
outside where it ain't gonna hurt anything. But the point is, if it runs for a couple hours and nothing else happens, then he can get the pigtail fuses and unsolder
And put the right one.
and put the right one in there. And
Okay.
it'll be good.
Sounds good.
Yeah, but the Brister is fine. I had one that was the exact part number.
Doesn't that look much better? Not perfect, not all the way done, but better when Don goes to move the Shufflera and the ficus into the under the house greenhouse area. Will be good. He shouldn't have too much trouble. I got me a pile of stuff up here, and I got another pile of stuff down there. And I got seeds in there. They show up on the video. I can feel them up there. There's a lot of seeds up there.
So she wants to have a good laugh. She came over and said, "You want to have a good laugh?" And I said, "Sure." She said, "Look at all these seeds in my hair." I said, "That's I noticed that. That's pretty funny." But I got a better laugh. So see this right here? This nice red can of paint? This is what color it sprays. I don't know how that happens. Somebody tell me how this red can of paint sprays great.
He knows how it happens. I put the lids on some cans the other day, and I was careful reading them and must have.
I don't know. I don't think it was you. I think it could have been any of us. But well,
I was pretty careful about, and I even looked at the tip on the ones I put caps back on. You understand now. They were in a heap of mostly used up, kind of used up, and not very much used. And I tried to organize it. He's right, I probably didn't do that because I was very careful. So yesterday, day before, we said that we were moving the cabinets a little closer together so they would be farther away from Jules's door, and therefore the shelf in between them is a little narrower, and thus JB building a new shelf, and it's coming. You can see I got the border here trimmed down too. And another pile. Don's gonna be so happy with me. There's the shelf.
Yeah.
Way cool. And the toolbox.
Yeah.
They're installed. They're on their feet. Their shelf is there. The toolbox is there. We'll pretend they're loaded. That's gonna happen tomorrow. They gotta cure just a little more. That's our story, and we're gonna stand by it, right? It won't take long to set the stuff in there. It really won't. It looked really good. Thank you for the help, JB. All that spraying. Like that handle thing Don got. Hey, if you got to use spray paint, you need this.
That's right.
That was a $5.46 thing at Walmart.
Yeah, $5 at Walmart.
Yeah, and Rust-Oleum. What's it called? I
don't know.
Thumb-free straight.
Look, get the one with this. Look, you squeeze it.
Ah, okay.
You got it. Don't get the one that snaps on. Get the one that's JB swears
Yeah, JB
by.
was sure that we were going to have. Yeah, JB was sure we were going to have to use a real paint sprayer, and wasn't too sure about the paint Don got, and he did that with the primer.
Did it with everything.
Yeah, and said, you know what, Donnie, I think it'll be okay for the rest of the painting too.
We can make this work.
Yeah, we can make this work.
We can make this
So
work.
what do you do after a day of fun in the garage?
You watch Jay Leno's Garage.
With the pina colada
Yeah, and you
nachos.
and you notice the Model X over his shoulder there.
Right, exactly. We had to back it up a couple times. We were trying to verify which Tesla it was.
Yeah, because
Hey, JB. Are you happy with pina colada over there?
No, it's good.